Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're reviewing and we'll be checking out if the car glass oil film remover is legit or a scam. So guys, car maintenance products can be a hit or miss, and today we're looking at the car glass oil film remover. Does this automotive oil film brush really work, or is it just another scam? Let us take a closer look. So here's what to consider before buying the car glass oil film remover. Firstly, we have effectiveness. Many users report that it doesn't remove oil film as claimed, leaving behind streaks or minimal results. Some even mention that stubborn grime or water spots are barely affected. Low quality construction is another concern. Some reviewers mention that the brush feels flimsy and doesn't last long, which raises questions about durability. Additionally, the bristles can sometimes bend or break with repeated use, reducing effectiveness further. After that, we have overhyped marketing. As if the product promises too much, like instant removal of tough stains, it's often a sign to be cautious. The product description is full of flashy claims, which don't always match real-world results. Then we have questionable reviews. If most reviews are either overly positive or appear only on the product's website, they could be fabricated. Look for genuine feedback on other platforms like Amazon or Reddit for a more balanced view. Now, let's make a verdict. While the car glass oil film remover might seem useful, it has mixed reviews and questionable claims, suggesting it may not live up to expectations. For serious oil film removal, consider other tried and tested options, such as microfiber cloths with dedicated automotive cleaners. It's also wise to check with car care forums or communities for trusted alternatives. So guys, have you tried this product? Share your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and automotive product insights. Thank you for watching. As always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Happy staying safe.